Tell me what's the logic? Tell me normal Snowflake logic. Tell me first is that I want to create so target database. Okay, target schema. Okay, so how to get target database? So create syntax, normal syntax, create database. Database
name.
Database names. Database. Okay, see database. Okay, that is assume let's say target database. So target database. Next step is that what? Create one schema.
Create
How to
target
create
schema.
target schema? How to create the target schema syntax is that what? What is
Create schema, target schema.
okay, create schema, target schema. Okay, so Control C, Control D. I can create schema and target schema. Okay, see target schema. Okay. Now where exactly we should create target database dot target schema. This is called as what? This is called as namespace. Okay, target database, target schema. Next step is that what I want to create table. From where our tables are there? Tell me where our tables are there. In which schema our tables are there? In which schema tables? Raw schema. Yes, so raw schema. Okay. So now how to get the same thing? See, create a table. So table name. So what's the table name? Suppose like same T1 table I want to get. Okay. So T1 table. Okay. Then from where we should clone?
Raw schema.
Raw schema. Okay. Raw schema is where? In the where it is there in the
Target.
Not target. Where it is there?
Source DB.
Okay. See source. Okay. See dev DB. Okay. See dev DB. So see dev DB dot. Okay. So what is schema? Raw schema dot T1. Same thing. How many times we want write? We want write 3 times. Okay. So because we want so T2 table, T3 table.
Five tables.
5 tables. Huh? No, we want only if we want 5 tables, then simply I can go for clone. No?
5 tables.
Okay, if I want, simply I can go for enter schema clone. No? Now I don't want all the simple. No, if I want to clone all the 5 tables, simply I can go enter schema clone. No, I don't want all things. I want only specific tables. So that's why I'll go for this concept. Okay, so T3 table, got the point. So this clear so far. Now where should I want to read this code? How to reuse this code? What is the function you should use for reusable purpose? For reusable purpose, what I should use?
Macro
concept. Okay. Now see T1 is fine. Now where we exactly we should create? We should create in target database.
target schema.
Okay, see Control V dot. Got the point. See, this is the way. Okay, this is fully qualified name, database name, schema name, and object name. So from where we want it, dev DB, raw schema, the same thing. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to reuse this functionality. How to reuse this functionality? We should go for what concept? We should go for in Snowflake. In Snowflake, how can we use this functionality? In Snowflake perspective. No, UDF can write details, huh?
No.
We should go for stored process. Same thing in DBT. What we can write? We should go for what concept? In DBT we can go for what concept? Macros concept will come. Okay, macros. Okay, give me 1 minute. Please. Tell me. So in UDF we can write only select statement. If I want to make this one, what we should write? We should go for stored procedure. Okay. Tell me same thing now. We in DBT how can you achieve by which concept? Using macros concept. Okay. Tell me syntax for macros. Remember logic.
Macro name.
Okay. See percentage. Okay. Macro. So case sensitive macro name. Then
Arguments.
Then pass the arguments. Arguments. Okay. Now put the same percentage. Same thing. Okay. Next one. Percentage
End macro.
End macro. So remember, sometimes they'll ask the syntax. Okay, see syntax. They want to write your syntax. What exactly the syntax is. So this is fine. Okay. Then what we should write then? The logic. What's the logic? Tell me.
Set flower bracket percentage set.
Why you should go for set?
Because you have to
Percent-
execute it, right?
We're able to execute the
Okay. So first I'll try to copy the same create database. Tell me it work, huh?
no.
Okay, see?
No.
Now DBT
No,
cannot
you have
able
to
to
use-
execute directly. Okay, then what
Yes.
console will come into picture? Tell me what console
Yep,
come into
set
picture?
value.
So see set
Set
thing. Okay,
value.
so set. Okay. So syntax for set. Okay, we'll write in DBT.
Percentage set.
Okay, go back here.
Percentage copy.
So control V. Okay. Control V. Now what happened? What is the shortcut? Underscore set. Okay, we want to put some variable. What's the variable I can put? I can put one variable. Okay, what variable I can put?
Clone object.
Anything. Okay, I want to put create database. So create DB. So create database. Okay. Now this is set is fine. Now what I should do? Next one is that. Okay, see.
Run.
Then what I should put? Then what I should put? Okay. No, but we need to end set. No.
End set. Okay.
Okay. So end set. End set.
Okay.
End set. Okay. Next step is that what end set is fine. Okay. Next, what we should do? We should mix a what concept?
Run.
Okay. Shortcut. Do.
Do.
What is the function? Function is that what?
Run query.
Run query. Run underscore
Query.
query. Okay. Query. Now what I should pass? Pass the
That create DB
variable name. So this variable contains the create database syntax. Okay. See. Control Z. So create database. Okay. Now where I should save this macro? Where I should save this macro?
macro under macro.
The macros folder. Okay, macros folder. Okay, suppose see. Let me put what's the name of the macro? Suppose see. Cloning database. Something like schema tables. Something. Okay, this one. Okay. So this name, copy the same name. Okay. Now we'll put creator replace. Okay, so that we don't get any error. So creator replace. Okay. So save. Where I should save the same thing? In which one? In macros. Okay. Control V. Dot SQL. Okay. SQL. Our next question, tell me how to run this macros. How to run this thing? Macros. What's the command?
DBT run under line hyphen operations.
Okay, sir. Okay, see now we don't have any. Assume like we don't have any. We'll go for static thing. Tell me syntax DBT.
Run hyphen operations.
Run hyphen operation under macro. Okay. So for confirmation purpose, okay. So target database is there for confirmation purpose.
Okay, bro. I should leave now. Or should I leave? I should leave now, na.
Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay, go to where? Go to SQL worksheet. Okay, now see target. Okay, show databases. How to list of database? Show databases like target. We'll see target percentage. As of now, nothing will be there. Okay. Now try to run. Okay, how to run this macros? Using okay, the same. Now what happened? Tell me now. What happened? A database will get created. Where? In the Snowflake. Now see confirmation purpose. Now we'll get or not? Now we'll get the database. Got the point of database. Next step is what is next step? Tell me. Next step is that what?
We need to create schema.
Okay. See. Next step is that we should create a schema. Okay. So schema. Okay. So where I should create in the go to DBT. Okay. See this is first step. Okay. Step by step. Okay. First step. Then go for don't do everything at a time. Go for first step database created. And what is second step? I should create. Second step is that to what is second step? Create schema. Okay, same thing, copy paste. We can do copy paste. Copy paste. Okay, copy paste. And already this data syntax is there. We can able to copy the schema also. First to go for static thing. If it is working only, go for dynamic only. Okay, then.
Can we not add that in the same macro?
No, it's like different. No, one thing will have. Okay, see, this will capture only one statement.
Okay.
This is same macro only. Okay, so this enter thing is the same macro.
Oh.
We are doing setting. Okay, so that's
So can't we have multiple set and multiple run?
Multiple select like multiple SQL in a single.
No. Tell me, variable can hold multiple values. Variable can hold how many values? Variable can hold single value. No? The same functionality.
Oh, like
So target.
can we have multiple select A set.
We can have like this multiple set. Now we are putting one more set. Which is
Okay,
what
got it.
create
Okay,
schema. So schema we are trying to create. So copy, create schema, create schema. Confirmation purpose, how to check the schemas are there. Okay, show schemas like this only. If you have 1,000 lines of code, what happens? They'll try to develop like this only. Okay, see step by step. Okay, schemas. As of now, nothing is there. Now try to. Okay, so say the same thing. Now run this. Okay, see. Now try to run. Okay, how to run? By using DBT run operation, we can able to make it work. Okay, confirmation purpose. Okay, go to Snowflake. Now you'll get target schema also will be populated. Got the point? So now database created, schema has been created. Okay, what is the next step? Next step is that what? What is next step? Next step is that go for what? Go for we should go for table. So we should copy this. Okay, so copy. Okay. So before that, what happened? Let me create this databases for us. So development database, okay, development schema, demo schema, RAS schema. Okay, now tables are there in the RAS schema. Okay, RAS schema. Now where I should create? Okay, now next step is that what? Now create. Okay, what is next step? Our next step is what? What we should create?
Tables.
Tables we should create. Okay, so
Yeah,
tables. Okay,
tables.
so tables. Okay, see tables. Okay, see. Okay. Now syntax is that what for table creation? So create or replace. Okay, so talk copy the table. Okay, first we are doing static thing, then going for dynamic. Okay, so create or replace. Okay, so table, target database, target schema. So T1 is my table name. Where I should clone, where I want to clone our thing again, from where? From the DevDB RAS schema. Okay, RAS schema. First we should do the setting. Okay, set. Okay, so what it's a table, create table. Okay. So create table, then what happened? We should do end set. Okay, end set. So create table, copy the value and put here. Okay, save the same thing. Okay, now how to run the same thing? So DBT. Okay, run. Okay, now we'll see confirmation purpose. It will work or not. Now see, now go back here. Now what we should create? Now go to our Snowflake, refresh. Okay, target database, scroll down. Target schema. Now T1 table should be there. Okay, so T1 table. Okay. The next step is that what we should go for T2 table, T3 table. Okay, tell me. Can suppose like 100 tables are there? Can write like this? 100 set variables. Huh?
No.
No, it is not possible. Okay, so because now there are so many. Okay, see, it is not possible. Okay, we'll go for what concept here? We're having the concept of looping concept. Is so looping concept. Okay, before that, now this is static or dynamic. This is static or dynamic. Static. Okay, how is it static? Because so see, we are hard coding the database name, schema name. Now, how to make this one dynamic? Tell me, dynamic. How can I make this one dynamic? By passing what? By passing the arguments. Okay, let me pass the same thing. Now, how to pass the argument? Where I should pass the argument? So here in the src database, src schema. Okay, then target database. Okay, target schema. Okay, so same. Okay, we'll go for first thing. Okay, so src. Now tell me source database. Where is now here? What will she put? Target database or source database here? What will she put here? Target, no target. So trg database. Okay. How DBT knows an argument? What I should pass? Pass in a JINJA template. So JINJA placeholder. Okay, same thing. Okay, same thing here. Pass here also the same. Control V. Okay, here also. Control V. Okay, yes. Okay, got the point. So this is same thing. Target database, target schema. Now here also what? Okay, it also pass the password. So target database. So target database. Okay, we'll put, okay, so same thing. Now what happened here, also the same thing. Okay, now what happened, this is fine. Now we are having more than one thing. Now which console come into picture for more than one thing? We will go for what concept? We'll go for what? Tell me. So I'll take the same value.
Looping.
Looping concept. So same thing, in same as any language, looping concept. Okay. Now we'll pass one more argument. What is the argument? We'll go for last one, that is assume a table list. So table list contains more than one record, we can able to get it. Okay. So target database, source schema, target schema, and the table list has been populated. Okay. Next one is that what? Okay. See, this is straightforward. Database and schema is straightforward. What about the same thing? Now we'll get what? Now we'll get more than one record. Okay. For we will go for looping concept. See, this is also same thing. So see, percentage. Okay. So for I'll try to explain. So see, this is simple only. So TBL, okay, table, okay, for I in like this. So for I in 1 to 10 like this. Okay. Now what we are getting here? Tell me, we are getting what? We are getting the table list. So table list. Copy the same value. So see why it, because say more than one record. That's why we're going for looping concept. If you single record, a straightforward thing. Now it's a more than one record. For table list in table list. Okay, see percentage flower braces. Okay, so flower braces. Now same thing. Now we should do ending. How to do ending? So see, it's also same. Okay, percentage end for okay, percent end macro, same thing, end for. Okay, so this one is the same thing. Now we need to write the logic. Okay, now tell me this way, this variable can hold how many values? More than one, because so it's creating all these values stored here. Next one is that what? Okay, next step is that what we want to get. What we want to get this database, this schema name and the table name, and this. Okay, we want to get source table and the target table. So for this purpose, what we can go over? Tell me how to store a variable value using what? Local variable. How can I set the local variable? By using which concept? Set concept. No, set. Got the point to see. I'll explain. So set. Okay, set source table. Okay, I want to set the source table. Okay, source table is getting from where? Tell me. From where we are getting? Okay, see. Okay, src db dot. Okay, src db dot src src. What is the schema? src. Okay, src source schema. Okay. Now what happened? We want to get from where we will get the table name. Table name coming from table, no? So table. So table list. So table list. Okay. Now what happened now? So see here what happened in DBT. I want to. So this is variable. This is variable. This is variable. How to club three variables in normal database? How can I club two strings based on which concept? And based on which concept? Pipe concept. Now here we are having the concept of tilt is there. So tilt purpose is that what? What is the purpose of this tilt? What is the purpose of this tilt? Anybody? Concatenation. So concatenation. Okay, see, tilt purpose is to concat. Okay, see, concat. Got the point. So see, so set source table, source DB. Okay, source schema. So this purpose is that what I want to club. This is one string. This is one string. How to club this thing? We should go for what? We should go for this. This concept like tilt symbol. So tilt symbol. Here also tilt symbol. Okay, got the point. Clearer. Now how to set this thing? So see percentage flower braces. Got the point. Getting a little bit. So this is for source table. What about target table? Same thing we should do. Target table. Tell me, target table. Yes, we should do the same thing, or we should do differently. Same thing, no? Yes, required. Same thing we should do.
Source table is already there, right? We are creating the target table, right?
Now source table from where we suppose there are multiple things are there. Okay, see now where exactly we want to create the source table. So see no your point is that T1 table we got. So where this T1 table need to create now? We need to give fully qualified now.
In the target database, right?
No. See what happened. So
Clone
see,
from source we are defining.
So suppose like see I'm having one D1 database. So D1 database. D1 database. D1 DB. Okay. D2 DB. Okay. Here T1 is there. See. So here in this DB table, so give me one minute, please. No, what my point is that, so D1 database, okay, in this D1 database, okay, there are SC1 schema, SC2 schema, SC3 schema, okay, SC3 schema. Same thing here also, SC1, SC2, SC3 schema. Now SC3, okay, in this one we're having T1 table, T2 table, T3 table. Here also T1, T2, T3 table, okay, so T, okay, see, so both are having, all three are having same thing. Now, if I want to create one table, okay. Now tell me T1 table. If I put select star from T1 table, tell me how can I get what we should use? Clerk directly.
Source qualifier. Yeah. We
Fully
need
qualified.
source qualifier.
That's what now fully qualified. That's what we need. No? Source database. Okay. See, this is fully qualified. I'm getting. Got the point? Huh? Getting a little bit. Okay. See, we need to give fully qualified. No, we want to select. So pick this table from this database, this schema. Got the point? Huh? Same thing. Control D. Now we want to create what? We want to create one more set variable. For what? For what thing? For target table. So target table. Okay. So see target table. Okay. So target table. This is coming from TRG database. So TRG. So TRG schema. So TRG schema. And so this is the functionality. So source database. So both are having same name. We can go for same names. Okay. So because I want to give the same name. So source and target should be same names. T1 table, T2 table. Okay. This clear so far? And getting a pointer? Next one is that. Okay. See. So this is fine. Now next one. This is end loop. Now before that. Okay. So we should do what? This is the functionality. So we are taking the source table, target table. Now we should make some what? We should make some this concept. No? So Control X and Control V. Control. Okay. Now what happened? Now see, instead of this value, what I should put here? Instead of this target database, target schema, what I should put? What I should put? What I should put?
Table, that variable.
Target variable. Okay, variable. Okay, how DBT knows this is a variable? We should put in a placeholder. Placeholder. Okay, same thing. Now here this is what? What is this thing? What I should put here? What I should put? The source table. Source table. No. Okay. Flower braces open. So place. Got the point. Place offer. Now end set. Okay, end set. Okay. Now so next step is that what end set. Now what I should do? Now what I should do? Next, how to run this statement? How to run this statement? Using what? How to run? Any statement. So do run, no? Do run query. And what I should pass? Pass the create tables. Okay, create table. Okay, see? Bracket open. Okay, next one. Put the same thing. Got the point? Getting a little bit at least. So this is fun. Okay. Now this is one time activity or multiple time activity. This is this loop. How many times it will loop? This one. So until so this table list is empty. So if you have 10 tables, 10 tables it will be repeated. Got the point? So first we'll run and we'll see the same thing. So remove this to run query.
Don't we need to end set for line 14 and 15?
This is variables, no? Variables no need, no? Variables no. Okay, so for the statement now we need to do. Okay, first.
Okay.
Okay, so let me run. Okay, so go back here. Okay, so save the same thing. Now, how many arguments totally? So 5 arguments. Okay, save the same thing. How to run this macro? Tell me how to run this macro. Okay, so DBT
run hyphen operations.
Operation. We are having extra thing. We are having what? We are having arguments. How to call the arguments?
Hyphen.
Args. ARGS. Okay, ARGS. And this is what in a format? Say JSON format. You can put double quotes. Okay, see JSON format. Okay, bracket open, braces open. Now what happened? What's the source database? Okay, copy the source database. Okay, so source database. So Control B. Okay, this is should put in a single quote. Source database. Okay, colon. Okay. Now what happened? What is the source database here? What is our source database? Okay. Source database is DevDB, dev schema. Okay. Okay, see DevDB. Okay, put in a single quote. Next one is that what? Comma. Comma. Next one is put the source. These are arguments. Source schema, single quote, assignment value. Okay. Dev SC. Okay, SC.
Raw
Okay, then
schema or table?
raw schema. It's a raw schema. Okay, raw schema. So raw schema.
So why we are using colon here?
Like assignment value, key value pair. JSON, what's the
Okay.
functionality? It's a key, it's a value. Okay, we want to, so we dev
Okay,
DB is
okay.
assigned to SRC DB. It's a key value
Okay,
pair.
okay.
Okay. Next one, what do you need to pass? Okay, raw schema. Next one, we should pass target database.
Target DB,
Okay, see?
target database.
So target TRG database. Okay, colon. Okay, what is the target database you want? Suppose like say I want you my own name. So P1, you can give any name. So P1 DB. Okay. Okay, P1 DB. Then put the hit target SC, target SC. Okay, colon. Okay, P1 SC. So this is new database. New database is P1 database, P1 schema. Okay. Next one is that what we need to pass. What we need to pass the table list. Okay, see TB. So TBL list table list. Okay, single quote. Now what happened? Now we want to pass more than one record. We should put in a array kind of thing. Okay, so you should put in a array kind. What the table name I should pass? Okay, T1 table. I'll try to explain. So T1, okay, comma T2. Okay, we'll see once we complete. We'll see your explanation one more. So T3. Okay, so T3 tables. Let me run. Okay. Okay, confirmation purpose. Go to our Snowflake. What is the database name? So see P1 database. P1 database. This is a new database. P1 schema. How many tables should create here? How many tables?
3.
So 3 tables should be created. Okay, let me copy the same value. So see, if you say no, this thing, no, like what happened? I have used this dynamical. Then what happened into this? Like you can say in my recent sprint, I have developed this cloning macro, unloading macro. Then what happens? So remember the 30 minutes you should block that. I have worked on DBT for 6 months to 1 year. I have developed models. I have do so. This is the main function. See, controlling. I'll try to explain one more time. So requirement is that, see the requirement one more time. Okay, requirement is that what's requirement? I want to, there are, okay, my development database. In this development database, there are development schema, demo schema, raw schema. Now, if I want to create entire database, we don't want to do anything. Simply we'll put create database name clone. Okay, source database, target database is fine. But requirement is that what I don't want entire database, entire schema in this database, in this schema, I want to take only three tables, got the point. So 3 tables. Now that's for this purpose, what we are creating. Okay, we are creating what? First setup is that, okay, create the target database. Okay, so target database for what? For storing T1 table, T2 table, T3 table. Second step is that what? Create one target schema. So this is first step. So first step, and second step is that what? Create target schema. Got the point? Okay, got the point. Target
So this
database.
should be in the same environment, right? Like development and environment.
That's
Across
what no.
environment, we cannot do.
Across environment. So this is across in the sense like what? Dev to UAT. Anything no, says we can put any database. No, if you have access, no supply, you have production access, we can able to cloning. No, so we are putting fully qualified. No, not getting it.
No,
So see,
what I'm
no,
saying, sir, that this is in development environment, right? In the development environment, we are having 2 databases, and then we are migrating some of the tables from one to another. What I'm saying, like from development to UAT, can we do this?
We can if you have access, we can do no. See, you need to pass the database name. So see, suppose like see, simple thing. Go to our Snowflake. Okay, Snowflake is there here. Snowflake, suppose like see, let me go for one more database. Assume like, so see, remember, if you have base and access, suppose like if you have access, I can suppose like see, I'm having a development access. Same thing, I create one, you run create database, okay, product DB. Okay, suppose like see, I'm creating, suppose like say product database, production database. Okay, production database has been created. Same thing, create one schema. So create schema, SC schema. Okay. Now what I want, suppose like see, now this, okay, now suppose like see, this df dev DB is there. Okay, see df dev DB, set worksheet. Okay, suppose like see, schema. Okay, now, so this YT table I want to migrate here. How can I migrate? Simply tell me how to migrate. So create schema. Okay. Schema. Okay. Now what's the schema I want to create? I want to create SC. Okay. Clone from where I want to clone. Okay. See, I want to clone from where? Set
From
worksheet.
this
Okay. See, from
development
S.
to
Okay.
production.
See. So copy paste copy name. Okay. Put here. Okay. Now I want to put we are in prod. Okay. See, let me go for prod database. So prod production database dot sc. Now see it will work. Already exist. Transcended. See, let me go for public schema. Now change this. Okay, see now see what if you remember the point is that if you have access, we can able to do anywhere from okay, see from dev to prod to dev. That's what the function. Got the point. See, okay. Okay, let me okay, so refresh the same thing. Now we'll get okay, now we'll get public schema. So public schema will get all these tables. Got the point. Same thing. Now what happened? We need to pass. Okay, depends on the role only. We'll get all these things. Okay, so got the point. See, simply I'm passing the database name, schema name. It can be any database. It can be any schema. Got the point? Getting a little bit at least.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the functionality. So see, remember, see, this is simple. So just to go for step-by-step operation. Don't go hurry-burry, do all these things. So first step is to go for static thing. First step is to create database. Okay, see, first step is to create a database. Second step is to create schema. While going this thing, what happened? We can able to manually like create database name 3-4 times. Instead of doing 3-4 times, what happened? I want to make this one dynamical. Then we'll go for looping concept for table list. Okay, see why you're going for this concept? Because I want to specify the fully qualified name, database name, schema name, and object name. So database name, schema name, and object name. So this is fully qualified source table. Okay, we show this is the functional. Okay, so why going for fully qualified? We don't want to get confused to Snowflake that make it fully qualified database name, schema name, and object name. Got the point. So see simple thing, setting the variables and assigning the thing. Okay, now why this is so to make DBT understand, say it's a variable like this. Got the point? Clear so far?
Ravin, while assigning the value to source table and target table, is it not necessary to give that namespace to that argument value, source DB, source, yeah, that.
Now, remember, okay, it's like sometimes what happens, sometimes what happens, I create one database, but what happened, it won't create sometime, getting the point. Suppose like we'll try to create one database. Okay, so database, okay, see, T1 database. Okay, now same thing, create schema. Okay, so create schema. Now what happens, sometimes what happens, it won't get created in this schema, it's created in different schema. That's why we'll go for fully qualified. That's what the function.
No, my question is, don't we need to include the JINJA flower bracket?
This is already in the JINJA, this is the place, no? This is here.
Okay, so for
okay, this is okay, this is the JINJA template. It's already understood this.
Okay.
This was the function. Okay, got a point. Obviously, so try to practice first time, copy everything and try to run. Once you're comfortable, so try to do your own logic. Okay, so this is the function. That's the part. Is getting it? Okay, so this is simple. Okay, so don't go hurry-burry, and this is simple. Okay, see, remember, ultimately main purpose of this JINJA is to understand the concept and you should implement. If you have 1,000 lines of code, what happens is you see the functionality of the code and you can decide and we can able to tweak the thing. See, simple thing.